Find 7% of 82.5. So to find this part of a number, I'm going to start off by drawing the box to give us a visual aid. So 0% is nothing, that would be 0. On our percent side, we could have 50%, that would be halfway. So half, which in our case, half of 82 is 41, and half of 50 cents is 25 cents. So half would be 41.25. And then all, or 100%, in our case would be 82.5. So 7% is between 50% and 0. It's between 25% and 0. So I'm going to say it's somewhere around here, about. So we need to find what 7% of our 82.5 is. So we know that it's going to be smaller than 41.25. It's going to be bigger than 0, but it's going to be pretty close to 0. So to change our 7% from a percent into a decimal, I'm going to take the decimal and I'm going to roll it over 2 places because we have our 2 zeros in the percent sign giving us a reminder. That's dropped off. Now that we have the decimal with a 0, 7. Of is our key word that tells us to multiply, and we're going to multiply by 82.5. So when I multiply 82.5 times 0.07, I don't need to line up the decimals. When multiplying, we can ignore the decimals until the end. So 5 times 7 is 35. We get 14 plus 3 more is 17. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 1 more is 57. And then I'm just going to end up having everything be zeros because that's what you get when you multiply by zeros. Adding it up then, I get 57.75. And I need to move the decimal 1 place, 2 places, 3 places. I'm moving it 3 places, so at the answer, I'm going to move the decimal in 1, 2, 3 places. That says the answer is 5.775. Now let's compare. Let's look back at our box. Our visual aid is 5 and about 3/4 bigger than 0. Yes. Is it smaller than 41.25 by quite a bit? Yes. So it would make sense to say that our answer is 5.775. It's a reasonable answer.